Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm in the grocery store parking lot right now, so there might be some distractions, so I do apologize. I'm taking a little different angle of my videos as of late, talking about anti-theft awareness. And the reason I'm doing this is very simple. I just want to help. If I can help one person, maybe get them something to think about, then it's worth it. Because I read there's a page I'm on called nextdoor.com, and this lady was posted. She said, I was at Costco, I'm loading the back of my vehicle, which if you've ever been to Costco, it takes two hands to load all that stuff, and a lot of it takes two hands. And she was loading up the back of her car, and someone came up, opened the driver's side passenger door, not driver's side, the passenger door, and stole her purse and ran off with it. So she lost her wallet, credit cards, ID, everything that she had in there. I think she had her keys still, because she was at the back. She might have even lost her keys, I forget now, but if she lost her keys, I mean, she can't drive her car, and they have her home address on her ID, they got her home address on her registration, which is in the glove box, because you have to carry it to show the police. So they have all your information. They could literally go right to your house and rob your home while you're not there, because guess what? They got her phone too, so she couldn't even call the police right away. So, yeah, I mean, all that could have been prevented simply by doing a little simple thing. Okay, so here's this is my my Jeep. It's a Jeep Cherokee Sport 2017. It's my main commuter vehicle. So most new cars, even a few years old, 2017, so it's got a few years on it. But a simple thing, you could have locked the doors. The back is still open, so I could load up my stuff. And, okay, they can't open your door with your fob locked. So just lock the car. Okay, so another issue for us outdoorsy people, you carry your gear in the car to get to your destination. Well, if your car is unlocked, and which mine is now, with your car unlocked, and say you pull up at the gas station and you're pumping your gas, which, every time I get gas, I do one thing when I get out of the car. I lock the damn thing. Because if I'm on the other side pumping my fuel, so if I'm over here, okay, someone can easily come up while I'm pumping. Okay, take two, I gotta unlock it. So if I'm pumping my gas, there's actually my gas pump on the passenger side, but a lot of times we're on the driver's side. They can run up and just pretty much that quick. I mean, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I'm not a thin guy. I'm no sprinter. I'm not gonna be able to sprint after you and catch you if you steal my bag. So even just looking at the camera with the car behind me, I'm leaving the whole driver's side open to someone sneaking up while I'm distracted and grabbing it. Also, if you're working with a buddy and they come up and go, hey man, you got the time or something? Or I'd be like, oh yeah, sure, I can take out my phone, look at the clock. I'm distracted while they're grabbing something. So that's also a potential. So keep your car locked. Now, naturally, if someone comes up with a crowbar and breaks my windows, there's not much I can do about that. But why make it easy for them by leaving the doors open? By the way, just on a side note, I was sitting here, when I first pulled up, there was a white van parked right over here, and he looks like he dumped. I don't know if you can see that from here, but he can, see if I can zoom in. That stuff, he just dumped it in the parking lot. Even though there's a dumpster right there, which he could have used. They may have locked it, but it looks like it's open. What a POS, in my opinion.